All right, let's take a look at everybody's favorite electric car or electric truck dog, Nikola. This baby hit a low of 1620 after getting crushed from 54 there mid-September, is now trying to climb out of its hole that we're in, and it's going to try to rally back up here, I would guess, into the mid-30s. I would love to put a sell back on in the mid-30s if we can get Nikola back up there. So look for a move on this. There's a lot of holes here to be filled. We're working on the first and the second. The third will be a big one. And I think you can really look for that 31 to 36 level, probably where there's a lot of action. There was a lot of trades that went on as is laid out here by the chart. So I would look for that mid 30s, 33 to 35, be a seller again. Over time, we hit 27 this morning and sold off right away. So it'll take a while, but you get into the meat of this again, and you could look for some other trades. In the meantime, any backfills back to the 20 level also probably could be purchased, as you can see, once that hole settles. Anything below 20, it's going lower, but we're trading 23.84 up again, 16% today after running up as much as 25%. Did trade 27, but look for a bounce and continuation a bit higher, and then go back to the sell side on Nikola.